Look at this girl over here. Is that a girl or a boy?
Fucking Billy boy. You're gonna steal your money.
Yeah, fucking crook. That's a boy, man.
I told you, right?
Hey, you're right. 100% right. Fucking Envy, they killed Envy, man.
Yes.
I think the lady boys killed Envy. Hello, young lady.
Oh yeah.
Sorry?
You want company?
No, I work. That's it. All right, hey, it's really so slow here. I can't believe it. Coming here at SM, trying to get my computer fixed. It's pretty bad shape, guys. Is that Anna? Hello, Anna. How are you?
Yes, sir. Thank you. I saw you.
Yeah. Nice to see you, Anna.
Yes.
Good. I'm so happy to see you. Here.
Saved him so much time that time. Thank you so much.
I promise that every time I see you, I give 100 pesos. Thank you, Anna. Thank you.
Yes.
It's good to see you, man.
Yes.
You look nice.
Yes.
You look all cleaned up. God bless you.
Yes. That's it.
So one day I want to interview you.
Yes, sure.
Okay?
Sure. Next time we watch movie.
No. Next time I see you, where do you hang out and then walk? Still go to work and see you? Where?
Yes, there.
Like Kokomo's or what?
Morning or night.
Where?
Not only walking.
Okay, all right. Okay, Anna.
Thank you.
I see you. Okay. When I have the camera, I like to go against the traffic. That way I see people's faces. Let me ask these girls. Let me ask all these girls here. Hi. Do you know where the HP distributor is?
You mean the store?
You know, HP store or HP the distributor?
It's a multi-brand, sir.
Yeah, I know, but
Silicon Valley.
Silicon Valley, which one?
Beside BSD International, at the back.
In the back? Okay. Okay, thank you. Hi.
Hi sir, laptop sir.
Actually, I'm looking for the HP repairman.
HP repair sir.
It's by Silicon Valley, is it? HP?
HP sir?
Yeah, service. It's over here, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think I know where it is. By Silicon Valley.
The service center of HP.
Yeah, it's right there. Oh, okay, thank you. Okay, look. Take this one. I'm looking for the HP distributor.
HP?
Yeah, repair center, HP.
HP, we have what kind of HP? Laptop?
Yeah.
You have laptop sir?
No, but I want to go. I need to get a special part. They ordered it for me. It's coming here. They told me to go to the. Manila told me to go to the HP. They should have it. It should arrive already.
Only this HP laptop, but
Where's the center that's specifically for HP?
we don't have HP store. Only multi-brand.
What?
We don't have HP store.
Or which is the main one?
We don't have. Only multi-brand.
Huh?
We carry HP here.
No. I need service center.
Service center.
Yeah.
PC Works.
PC Works.
I
Yeah.
think over PC Works in Angeles.
Where's that? No, it's here. PC Works. No, PC Works sent me here. PC Works is right by MacArthur Street and PSI Beck.
That one is under warranty.
No,
If you want,
I need a shell. See, I need the shell fixed.
if you want to,
The shell. You know what the
if you
shell?
want to fix that over there. If you want to service center, only PC Express. PC Works in Angeles. This.
Yeah.
Jay, what's the problem?
I needed the case.
Case.
The case in the outside fixed. The case broke.
Oh shit.
Yeah, the case broke. This broke here. I need this new.
Even this.
Yeah, that's all right. That's okay. It don't matter. This is what's important. PC Works told us to come over here to the HP repair shop.
Ang sakit naman ito.
That PC
Full
Works.
set include
The screen's
bezel,
good.
Yeah, include bezel back and this part.
Yeah, the outside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Included.
Yeah.
6.5.
6.5?
Order only.
How long?
10 to 12 days.
All right, can you check my battery? My battery went dead on me. Just today, actually. I was working on it without it. I left the power cord at PCX. PC.
Did you bring your charger?
I left it at PC. They ordered from Manila from Makati. That's what. Yeah, it took me that long for the screen. I got the new screen. It took me 10 days. Yeah, it took me that long. But the screen cost less than that.
What happened, sir?
Huh?
What happened when it's broken?
Well, when they with algorithm in Dumanetti, I bought the screen from them. When they put the screen, this here, they did it wrong, and little by little, it would click, 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 little by little, and finally it broke. Yeah, it just kind of went. I left it unplugged. Yeah. Yeah, it lights up and then it dies. See, look. Look. See here? Watch. It'll light up,
Yeah. Oh,
then it dies.
You need to check first inside the unit.
Yeah, can you check for me? I'll cover, you know, I'll pay for it. Yeah. I need to work. I need to work. Information's in there. I need it.
Andyan si Chubeng. Andyan. Chubeng andyan. Andyan si Chubeng.
Hmm? It's the battery. The switch that connects the battery connection.
You have a lot of important files.
Yeah.
I think it's already saved at the storage, the SSD.
Yeah, but my passwords, everything is in. I have dementia, so if I don't get it from there, I'm in trouble.
You have a Microsoft account also. You have a Microsoft account.
Me,
Microsoft.
I don't know. I doubt it.
Oh, you have a rice.
Huh? Yeah. A little bit of beer. A little bit of beer came on that, so I put rice on it real quick. I shut it down, put rice on it. This happened like 4 months ago, 3 months ago. But it's been working until today. They say rice is life though.
Lot of corrosion.
Corrosion? Shit.
Still have.
How bad do you think it is? It's the motherboard.
Well, as I said, no scientific explanation for the rice. For the rice.
The rust is, yeah, it's a little bit of liquid that's spilled on it. A little bit of beer fill on it. Just a little tiny bit. I turned the computer off immediately. I did. I turned it off and I put rice all over it. And it did happen.
Wait, one more small one.
Yeah.
And then the ini. The ATE.